Hello, boys and girls! Today, we are going to learn about animals. Firstly, let's learn about some new words. You listen and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's go! Animal. Animal. It's an animal. It's an animal. Bird. Bird. What animal is it? It's a bird. It's a bird. Cat. Cat. What animal is it? It's a cat. It's a cat. Chicken. Chicken. What animal is it? It's a chicken. It's a chicken. Cow. Cow. What animal is it? It's a cow. It's a cow. Crocodile. Crocodile. What animal is it? It's a crocodile. It's a crocodile. Dog. Dog. What animal is it? It's a dog. It's a dog. Duck. Duck. What animal is it? It's a duck. It's a duck. That's all for today. Thank you and see you in the next video.